How to fix My Samsung Galaxy says not registered on network or searching signal. So if you want to fix a problem of not registered on a network error, then what you need to do is the first step is restart your phone. So you just need to simply press and hold on to your power button. Then here you will get a restart option. Simply tap on restart, and after restarting your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then go with the step 2, which is enable your SIM card. Ensure that the airplane mode is turned off and your SIM card is not disabled by mistake. So to check that, what you need to do is open up your settings and make sure that you've turned off your airplane mode, and then go with your settings, scroll down, and here you just need to simply go with network and internet and tap on SIM card. Under SIM card, tap on the SIM that you are using and make sure that you've toggled on the SIM card, which is enable SIM card option is toggled on. Once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. Or the third step you need to do is disable your Wi-Fi. Sometimes if you're using your Wi-Fi and your mobile data at the same time, then the device will prefer the Wi-Fi over the mobile data. So make sure to toggle off the Wi-Fi option, or make sure to toggle off your Wi-Fi, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you need to switch between LTE and 5G. So if the previous steps don't help, change the mode of network. Open up your settings and then go with connections. Under connections, you need to go with the mobile networks on your Galaxy phone and tap on the network mode and alternate between LTE and 5G, and your problem might be fixed. But if that again don't fix your problem, then go with the fifth step, which is choose operator manually. You just need to simply go with your settings and connections, and after that go with mobile network and tap on the network operators option. At this point, disable automatic network selection, which will set off a network search on your phone, then connect to your network provider. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply reinsert your SIM card or just try with another SIM. And if all of these fixes doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you need to do is you just need to simply visit a Samsung service center. If everything is fine at the operator's end, your last resort would be to get your Galaxy device diagnosed with a busted SIM card slot at a service provider or authorized Samsung service center. Make sure to back up all of your crucial data, since the service center might try to reset your phone in an attempt to fix the issue. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.